Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal table lamp. So what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants, and these are from Efavormart. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What are you going to need from Dollar Tree? You're going to need one of these fishbowl shaped vases. And here I have a little footed vase. And from Walmart, I have the multi-pack of the peel and stick gemstones. You can really use whatever size you like. Now, I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam tabletop lamp turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You can actually light this with tea lights, fairy lights, or even a touch light. So let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.